In this video, we're going to talk about the various ways that spas can be plumbed and how you can choose a spa that is guaranteed not to leak. In my 25 plus years in the spa industry, there is no greater reason for a spa tech to have to visit a spa on site because it's leaking. So it's very important that you buy a spa with a great plumbing system. There are a couple of choices that a spa manufacturer can make when it comes to choosing the plumbing of their spa. The cheap way, which uses some form of clear plastic, often called beverage tubing, and the right way, which uses flexible PVC plumbing on the water lines. So what you're looking for is a creamy colored plumbing with a spiral of rigid PVC plastic through it. Now the reason that that is the right way to plumb a spa is that firstly, that spiral of rigid PVC stops the spa's plumbing kinking. Imagine your garden hose left out in the sun, it gets a kink in it, stops working, no different in spas. You've got hot, chemically treated water running around the spa, heats the plumbing up. If it can kink, it means you're going to lose pressure to one or more jets. So the first reason to choose a spa with flexible PVC plumbing is no kinks. Secondly, that plumbing is designed for hot, chemically treated water. A spa with flexible PVC plumbing will last 15, 20 years with no problems. A spa that's plumbed with a clear plastic tubing, a beverage tubing, which isn't designed for hot, chemically treated water, is going to have a much shorter lifespan. Lastly, look at the adhesive that's being used. The best adhesive in the world for plumbing spas is called Weldon. It's made in Canada, it's blue, sometimes there's a variation that's green. So look out for what adhesive is being used. There was a very large spa company that literally went bankrupt 20 years ago because they switched adhesives and every spa they made for a year leaked after the first 18 months. So choose a spa with flexible PVC plumbing and a spa that's using weld-on adhesive in their plumbing joints. So I hope this video has explained how you can look out for the best plumbing for your next spa.